It's that chick from New York, the money boy.
Asshole.
Says she got a surprise for me.
I got offered a job here, and
Fucking mega super fashion again.
yes, but you don't even know what to say.
Doesn't matter, I can do it. I think we need to examine what you're getting out of this relationship.
Well,
Wake up, big head.